Welcome to Mini Masters. Today, we have a magical adventure waiting for you as we step into the enchanting world of Elsa and her family. Once upon a time in the kingdom of Arendelle, there were two sisters, Elsa and Anna. Elsa, the older sister, had a magical gift, the ability to create ice and snow. But fearing her powers, she kept them hidden from everyone, including Anna. One day, during Elsa's coronation as queen, her powers were accidentally revealed, and in her fear, she plunged Arendelle into an eternal winter. Heartbroken and determined to make things right, Anna set off on a journey to find Elsa and bring her back. Along the way, she met Kristoff, a rugged ice harvester, his loyal reindeer Sven, and Olaf, a magical snowman brought to life by Elsa's powers. Olaf loved everything about summer and brought laughter to the group with his innocent dreams of warm weather. Together, they braved snowstorms, icy mountains, and dangerous cliffs to find Elsa. Anna believed that with love, she could help her sister control her powers. However, Elsa, scared of hurting those she loved, struggled to accept her own magic. In the end, it was Anna's courageous act of true love that saved Elsa and the kingdom. She showed Elsa that love was the key to controlling her powers. With her heart full of love and acceptance, Elsa lifted the eternal winter and brought back summer to Arendelle. Elsa and Anna grew closer than ever, realizing that their bond as sisters was unbreakable. Kristoff and Sven became part of their family, and Olaf happily enjoyed the summer warmth, with Elsa's magic keeping him from melting. Together, they lived happily in Arendelle, surrounded by love, friendship, and the magic of family. So, if you're ready for a little magic and a lot of fun, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Join us on Mini Masters for more amazing stories and exciting drawing tutorials. Until next time, keep imagining, keep creating, and remember, every artist was once a beginner. See you soon!